Now I shall start exercise 12.3, question number 15. Now question is, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. So find the area of the shaded portion. Now look the figure. This is the figure, and of the quadrant, this is a quadrant. Okay, so of the quadrant of a circle, radius is 14 centimeter and theta is 90. Okay, because quadrant is the 1/4 of a circle, so theta is 90. So area of the quadrant is theta by 360 into pi r square. So 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 centimeter square. 7 2 ja 14 and 90 into 4 360. So it will be 1 by 4 into 22 into 14 into 2 and 2 2 ja 4 and these two cancel. So 1 by 2 into 22 into 14. 2 11 ja 22. So 11 into 14 154 centimeter square. Now of this right triangle ABC, base is 14 and height is also 14. So area of the right triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. So half into 14 into 14 centimeter square. 2 7 ja 14 and 14 7 ja 98 centimeter square. This is equation 2 and this I have done equation 1. Now area of the segment. This portion is the segment. Okay. So area of the segment equal to 154 minus 98 means area of the quadrant minus area of the right triangle. So it is 154 minus 98, that is 56 centimeter square. Okay, this is equation number 3. Means this area is 56 centimeter square. Now you have to find out this shaded area, which is the area of the semicircle minus area of the segment. So of the right triangle ABC, you have to take out BC at first, because BC is the diameter of the semicircle. So BC square equal to AB square plus AC square using Pythagoras theorem. So BC square equal to 14 square plus 14 square, because this and these sides are 14. So 196 plus 196 centimeter square, that is 2 into 196 centimeter square, and BC equal to root under 2 into 196 centimeter, and 196 can be split up as 14 into 14. So BC equal to root under 2 into 14 into 14 centimeter. So BC equal to 14 root 2 centimeter. So diameter of the semicircle is 14 root 2 centimeter and radius of the semicircle is 7 root 2 centimeter. So area of the semicircle is half pi r square. So half into 22 by 7 into 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 centimeter square. This 7 cancel. So half into 22 into 7 into 2. Since root 2 into root 2 is 2. This 2 cancel. So it is 154 centimeter square. This is equation 4 I have taken, because you have to take out this area, which is to be area of the semicircle minus area of the segment. Now area of the shaded portion is area of the semicircle minus area of the segment. Area of the semicircle we have got in equation 4 and area of the segment we have got in equation 3. So it is 154 minus 56, that is 98 centimeter square. Okay. Now come to the next question, number 16. This figure is given and calculate the area of the designed portion common between two quadrant, okay, of circles of radius 8 centimeter each. Means ABCD is a square whose side is 8 centimeter. So area of the square will be side into side, that is 8 into 8, 64 centimeter square. and from this portion is one of the quadrant and this portion is another quadrant. So I have written here of quadrant AB, ABPD and quadrant CDQB. Radius is 8 centimeter because these sides are 8. Okay, radius is 8 centimeter. And now theta is 90. So area of each quadrant equal to 90 by 360 into pi r square. So 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 8 centimeter square. There are two quadrants. So area of two quadrants is 2 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 64 centimeter square. Now 2 2s are 4 here and 22 into 64 by 2 into 7. 2 11s are 22. So it is 11 into 64. 11 into 64. It is 704 by 7 centimeter square. So area of the shaded portion is area of the two quadrant minus area of the square. That is equation 2 minus equation 1. 704 by 7 minus 64. So take LCM 7 and it is 704 minus 448. That is 64 into 7. After subtraction it is 256 by 7 centimeter square. So area of the shaded portion is 256 by 7 centimeter square. Okay.